What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. You put $100 in that new Webull brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 fractional share stocks. If you put $500 in your new Webull brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down in the description box and click on that first link, which is the Webull link. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Those free stocks can be valued anywhere from $3 up to $3,000 a piece. So get in where you fit in, guys. This is an opportunity for you to start building yourself some wealth. If you want some tutorial videos to learn how to use the Webull brokerage app, all you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Webull brokerage account. Let me know you funded it. And I will send you out a Webull tutorial video that I did to help you learn some of the basics of using that brokerage app. I'm not an expert, but I'm willing to help you out because you're willing to help yourself. Guys, we have a second day of crashing of our stock market. The world is starting to roll out their own tariffs on the United States, and the stock market has been drastically affected by it. Here's the headline. Dow drops 900 points, crushed for a second day on fears 47 has ignited a global trade war. That's the headline from CNBC. Now, I've told you guys that this trade war that we have started with the world is not going to be something that the stock market will think favorably about. Matter of fact, the global markets are not liking what's going on. That doesn't mean anything will change, right? We'll have to see. One thing I do know is these other countries like China are starting to roll out tariffs on the United States as well, increased tariffs. Let's talk about that here in a second. The stock market took another pounding Friday morning after China retaliated with new tariffs on U.S. goods, raising fears a trade war will tip the globe into a recession. So that's why you see what's happening right now in the stock market, is because now with China retaliating and more countries on the way to retaliate against us, we'll have a full-blown global trade war, which is not good for anybody, guys. It's not good for America. It's not good for the rest of the world. The Dow traded 977 points, or 2.5% lower. This follows a 1,679 point decline on Thursday. So you put those two together, you almost got about 2,700 points that the Dow has declined, guys, in the last day, because we're just at Friday morning here. We got the rest of the day to go. I mean, it could be worse than this by the close of business today. It's just crazy to me. The S&P 500 slid 2.5% after the benchmark shed 4.84% on Thursday. So within 2 days, you're talking about almost 7.5% drop in the S&P 500 because of this trade war that we have started with the rest of the world. And why would we have to start that? I didn't think we had to, but we did. So now, guess what? We're in it. We're in it. And these other countries are starting to retaliate against us, and it's going to affect the stock market. So buckle yourself up, put your seatbelt on, and get ready for this roller coaster ride, guys. The NASDAQ composite shed 3% as many tech companies have exposure to China. On Thursday, the NASDAQ tumbled 6%. So now you got the NASDAQ 9%. Last 2 days. You got the S&P 500 7.5%. And you got the Dow that's off by 2,500 points. Guys, this is not good. And this thing could get worse. So put your seatbelt on. China's Commerce Ministry said Friday the country will impose a 34% levy on all U.S. products. This matches the tariff on Chinese goods coming into the U.S. unveiled by 47 on Wednesday. The 47 administration may be playing a game of chicken with trading partners, but market participants aren't willing to wait around for the results. And this is coming from the chief investment strategist at State Street Global Advisors. Investors are selling first and asking questions later. That's what you got going on right now, guys. You got to take off your emotional thinking cap and put your logical thinking cap on, or you're not going to make it through this. You got to think logical about this. One thing that I want you guys to keep in mind: the storm has to come before the rainbow. See, the storm has to come. And what we're in right now is a storm. We're in a bad storm created by America, or created by our administration. We're in a storm right now. But please hold on, because the rainbow is coming. I don't know when the rainbow will come, but the rainbow comes after the storm. So just hold on. I know right now you're watching your 401ks go down. You're watching your investment accounts go down. All this you've worked for years to put yourself in a financial situation where you've done all the right things, and all of a sudden somebody makes a decision that is starting to tank it all. Hold on tight. The rainbow's coming. Companies with large exposure to China led declines, with Apple and Qualcomm down 3% each. Tesla lost 3%, and Caterpillar shed 6%. NVIDIA fell 3%. NVIDIA right now, guys, is under $100 a share as I'm recording this video. Just letting you know. Bank stocks tumbled in the pre-market as worries of a U.S. economic slowdown grew. Morgan Stanley dropped 6%, while Goldman Sachs shed 5.5%. Citigroup and JP Morgan Chase slid 6.6% and 5.1% respectively, while Wells Fargo dipped 5%. The 10-year Treasury yield fell back below 4% on Friday as investors flooded into bonds for safety, pushing prices up and rates lower. JP Morgan late Thursday raised the odds of a recession this year to 60% from 40%. There you go, guys. This thing is starting to escalate. We have pushed our economy, the world's economy, our stock market, the global stock market. We are pushing it down. We're pushing it into the oblivion. Why? Above my pay grade. I have no idea what we're trying to get accomplished here. We already had a great economy. We already had a great stock market. Labor market was stable, but yet and still, we had to go after the world to do what? Pay for tax cuts for the rich, for the wealthy. Buckle down. Like I said, put your seatbelt on and get ready for a bumpy ride. But remember, the rainbow comes after the storm. So look towards the rainbow. Buckle down, do what you got to do, build your wealth, keep DCAing. Don't give up on the market. Right now, things are low. Buy low, sell high at some point in the future when the rainbow comes. Right now, in the middle of the storm, you got to be investing in your favorite companies who have a track record of historical performance. I'm going to keep buying SPLG. I'm going to keep buying FTEC. I'm going to keep buying the Magnificent Seven. As they crater in value, I'm going to keep buying them because I know at some point the storm will be over and there'll be a rainbow out there. And at the end of that rainbow is going to be a pot of gold for me. I hope you don't give up. Don't give up, guys. See, that's what they want you to do. They want you to give up. Do not give up. Do not let them win. Your family is dependent on you. Don't give up on you or your family. They want you to give up, though, but don't. Don't give up. If you want up to 20 free stocks from Webull, click on that first link down in the description box. Click on the Webull link. And if you put $100 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 fractional share stocks. If you put $500 in there, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. That's part of that rainbow, guys. Don't miss that. That's part of the rainbow. Get yourself down in the description box. Click on that first link. Click on that Webull link. Open up that Webull account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address. Second link down in the description box. Got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will help you with your financial literacy. Thousands of you guys have already tried it out and you're loving it. Why don't you try it out? It will help you through these economic and stock market hard times. This storm we're going through in the stock market and soon to be the storm that we're going to have and have to go through in our economy because it's happening, guys. We're going to go into a recession caused by us, America, our administration, right? We're going into a recession, so get ready for it. And these digital products will help you do that. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,900 wealth builders in our financial community. You're going to need a financial community, guys, in this storm we're in. Come be a part of our financial team, our financial community. Hit that join button or that membership button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Come join us. We'd love to help you build wealth. We'd love to help get you through this financial storm, this economic storm that we're going through right now. We'd love to help you get there to get you on the other side to the rainbow. Come join us. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.